Hello, guys. I don't know. I think my camera's in my bag over there, so I'm just gonna do this just as a show, uh, like in-screen show. All right, I got a new challenge. Someone messaged me and said, "Why don't you do them like straight down, like 1, 3, 11, 19, 37, 55, 87?" And I thought that would be easy. Well, I mean, not as easy, but it would still be easy. But um, I was thinking. Maybe go down on the left, then down on the right, then down on the left, and down on the right. That'd be more challenging. I always try to make it a little bit harder than it should be. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can do this challenge. Let's have a challenge where there's no commercials. Orencium or Francium. Believe it or not, I mixed those up too. I love it how all these ones have the O-N at the end of their name. Helium is the only noble gas that doesn't have an O-N at the end of its name. Radon, right? Oh, Oganesson. Even that one has it, the new one. All right, back to the side. Lithium, beryllium. These are the ones that all end in INE. I never knew that's why they named Tennessee INE. They ought to end in INE. That's so stupid. I guess 71 and 103 have to be down that block, right? All right, so 70 is lucium. 103 is lawrencium. Okay, so 21 is what? And 57. All right. Sulfur, right? Is that right? Sulfur. All right. 52 is what? Tellurium. Polonium. What is this? Livermorium. This one's, and that one is. All right. That one is what? No. I think it's hafnium. Yep. All right. This one is definitely Rutherfordium. This one's thorium. Nitrogen. Phosphorus. That's such a cool name. PHPH. Phosphorus. Arsenic. Antimony? Yep. Polonium. What's before polonium? I was just thinking of bismuth. I wanted to type that in last time while I was next to it, but can't. You got to do it in order. All right, this one is this fermium? No, this is Tholium. This one's Mendelevium. Alright, 23 is what? Chromium's 25. Oh, vanadium. Niobium. Tantalum. What is 105? 105, 105. That's rubidium, so it's dubnium. Praseodymium. This one is no, it's not uranium. No, this is protactinium. Gotta love that. Alright, silicon. Tin? Yeah. Lead, right? Yeah. Lead. How could moscovium be a poor metal? They say that moscovium makes space travel possible. What am I missing here? Niobium, and then what the heck is 114? Is that fluorovium? Sure is. Alright, this one is erbium. And that one is fermium. Okay, back to this side. That's chromium or no? No. What is this? Chromium's 25. What is 24? Another brain fart. Here we go. Oh my god. I never noticed that there's 18 columns across. Alright, chromium? No. What is this? Oh, this is chromium. The next one's manganese. Okay, that's why. I kept saying chromium and I was right. Jeez. This one is tungsten. This one is this the borium? Is this the one that I messed up last time? No, this is seaborgium. Which didn't even exist when I memorized this. Alright, let's see here. 60 is neodymium. This is so much harder. Uranium. Whoever sent this challenge to me, this is a good one. Boron, aluminum, gallium. What is this? Indium? This one is lead, mercury. What is this one? Thallium. And then this one's niobium. Oh, nihonium. This is holmium. And that is einsteinium. Okay, here we go. 25 down is manganese. Technetium. Don't mess this up. This is rhenium. 107. Now that's borium, right? Borium. I messed that up. Okay, there we go. Promethium. For the longest time, I'd always get stuck on promethium. Oh, I was supposed to go 30 down. I guess it doesn't really matter. What is that? What is 80? Mercury? That one is Copernicium. Copernicium. Alright, this one should be... And then this one must be Californium. Alright, iron. Osmium. Is this one Meitnerium? No, this one's Hassium. Alright. Promethium. Samarium. Plutonium. Yeah, back in 1985, you could get plutonium off any of the... What did he say? Doc Brown from Back to the Future. Yeah, I'm sure in 1985 you could get plutonium on every corner drugstore shelf. But this is 1955. How are we going to get plutonium? That's funny. Oh, man, that movie was so funny. So great. Okay, where are we at? Silver. Gold. What is this? Roentgenium. Watch me mess this up. Alright, never mind. Alright, what is this? Berkelium. Alright, 27 cobalt. 45 is rhodium, which is like trading at $42,600 an ounce for rhodium. The most expensive it was $27,600 for an ounce of rhodium. I was looking at it the other day. This one is Meitnerium. What's 63? Gadolinium is 64. 63 is europium. And then 95 is, oh God, here we go. I'm going to mess it up. Curium's 96. Oh, americium. Okay, there we go. All right, here we go. Rhodium, palladium. Palladium's high, but rhodium's ridiculous in price per ounce. Gold, platinum. There's really no uses for some of these things, though. What the hell do they use rhodium for? Meitnerium, Darmstadtium, gadolinium, berkelium. 96 is what? Curium. Alright, that was cool. I like that. I'll try it the other way too someday. I'm not going to do it again. Well, I mean, I could, but I'm tired. So, alright, thanks for the challenge. That was a good one. I like that. Where's the damn mouse? There it is.